Tuesday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. What a day. Took over a 3-bedroom. Tenant released. Not only was it trashed, but it was haunted. So the video for that is on my profile page. It's on the top. It says viewer discretion advised. I didn't notice it until about 2 hours. I read some of the comments after I posted it. There was a noise like a whisper and a giggle. Haven't figured out what it is, but it was definitely creepy. Well, hello, ladies. I came home, didn't get to spend much time with them because I was out blowing leaves off. Hey, guys, what are we doing? Happy chickens. You got happy chickens and a happy cat. Scoop the poop. Grab some eggs. Hi, guys. Oh, we got broken egg. Broken egg. Who broke the egg? All right, let me scoop the poop. Doesn't look too... Oh, God, that's bad. So it doesn't look like a good amount of eggs today. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus the night egg, 7. That ain't good. What? Yelling in my ear. Hell, I've been trying to get them to bed the wrong way. All I gotta do is come in here and start talking, and they just run in here to see what's going on. What is up your butt? You are being loud today. What's up, meathead? Hey, beautiful boy. Yeah. He's a good old boy. He's a good boy. Specials. They're all doing so good. Just a bunch of happy chickens. Bunch of happy chickens. You happy chicken? Beautiful colors. Look at that. Hey, mama. All right, let's grab some eggs. One. I'll take it. So I did get to the leaves today. This section is not done, so that's tomorrow. But I did get the patio, and I got all this done. All the way to the chickens, all the chickens are done. And then all this is done, and all these are done, all the way to the street. Then that section will be tomorrow. Then I'll do that section out the next day, and then from the hill down. So Friday should all be done. Look at my meathead. I think once all the leaves are down, it will be coming in here and just raking and cleaning, and it's going to be a lot of work still, but it happens every year at this time. So owning property is definitely a lot of work. On that note, I'm going to cut it short. Y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night. Go pet my kitty.